Hi, this is Angelo Seminara, Goldwell Global Ambassador. We're here in my salon in Knightsbridge in London today, and we're going to do a short look, something that is really beautiful, a bit hard. So this is Penny, my model, and we're going to start the look. You can have a little look on the before, and we're going to create a more sharper but still a little bit undone look. The sectioning, we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. So we have these 5 sections. We're going to start on the temple area, and then we're going to go through the back. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to connect the top. So we're going to elevate the section. We're going to go really perpendicular to the scalp, and we're going to start by sliding with the really nice sharp scissors, and we're going to remove some length. So this gives us this really beautiful textured look, and we are only taking just that much off of the hair. We're going to start building some weight to it. So always follow your guideline. Also, I always try and maintain this corner in the front, so we don't want to go too short in this area. One of the most important things for this haircut is to always check the visual balance. It's very important to use this part of the comb, just because it gives you a much more natural feel. It's not good to really pull the hair too much, especially when you're doing this kind of soft looks. So we're going to do the same thing, repeat it on the other side. So we're going to now take the middle section, and we're going to focus on this area here. So we want to keep this not too long. We're going to take diagonal sections, and we're going to pull the hair out. And each section, we're going to cut into it, just like that. Just really, I want to create this feathery soft feel, and I'm going to blend everything into the back, you can see. Now we're going to take the sections the other way, which is diagonal but inverted, and we're going to do the same thing but a bit lower. Just get a little bit more weight here. So here we have all the hair has been washed from the color, and we're going to start taking some water out with the hairdryer. We're going to use a little bit of creative texture, and we're going to apply this just on the root area. We're going to start taking these small clips, almost like you're pinning the hair, some little curls, very random and very natural. So just massage the root area, just break it up a little bit. We're going to spray some texture spray. So I hope you like it.